Well, you may have heard a lot about array formula. Array, what is this? Let's look at it. Excel Daily Dose, Advanced Functions. Myself Dayanand with Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Right. Number one, what is an array? Anything which is more than a single cell can be called as an array in a range. Nothing but a range, right? Now, um, situation like this. Take a look at this situation. I would like to know the maximum sales of Chris under electronics. You may think COUNTIF can work, SUMIF can work, SUMIFs can work, but what can work is the formula, array formula, and it is very simple as well, right? So I have array which is number one, I have names in one array, and I have products in array two, and I have number of sales. We'll develop a formula using arrays functionality. The arrays normally begin and end with these flower bracket symbols, flower brackets. Okay, so but you do not have to enter this manually. So have a look at, let me type the formula, let me show the formula first and then explain you how it exactly works. Okay, what we're identifying is the maximum number of sales by this person, Chris. This can be changing, it can also be, it can be anything in the range. Okay, and the products, right? What is required is max function. Yes. Now we need to do if condition because we need to check only for this name. So if is also required for us with certain conditions. Okay. Range number one, this array number one should be equal to the name supplied here, right? And array number two, which is here, should be equal to the product supplied here, right? If these two conditions matches, then I need the data which is maximum of this. If there are no Chris and no electronics found here, just say not found. Basic if formula, I'm combining this if formula with max function. So I'm using these two multiplier here in order to get the actual values only matching with name and the products we are looking at, right? Once you're done with the formula, so use this three key combination, Control Shift Enter, to complete this array formula. Let me do that, Control Shift Enter, and I'm done. So when you look at this formula, do you see, you should be able to see this, a flower bracket, the beginning and at the end, that represent this formula is an array formula, right? Now, is this correct? Chris in electronics, is this what Chris has got in electronics? Chris has got electronics. There is only one sale, which is 5. That should be the maximum. Let me change this to Adam and check that. Has Adam got 25, the highest sale in electronics? Adam, electronics 8, electronics 25. Yes, that's it. Electronics 25 is the right answer. You got it? So now I should explain you how this is actually working. All right. Now, let me explore this line by say segment by segment. I'll pick up this segment first and show you which and all is equal to this H2, and then I'll pick up the next segment and go on from there. I need some space, so let me insert some more columns here. Right now, this column I'll pick up the agent evaluation. Agents we are evaluating with the help of if, and here we pick up product with the help of if. Okay, what it does, number one, so it checks from A2 to A15 and whichever matching with this K2, which is this Adam. So wherever Adam is there, it will enter true, and wherever Adam is not there, the formula will enter false. Ideally, it will not enter, but it will calculate, it will create an array temporarily. Okay, like this. And then, so all you have true here, place 1, and here as well. Right. Next step, the formula, it does go to the column B and checks whichever is equal to electronics and place true again there. Okay, go ahead, electronics, electronics, electronics. That's it, right? And rest of the places it will simply place false, right? Now true, false into false is equal to false. So true into true is equal to true. However, okay, is equal to true, correct? Is equal to, I didn't color this, sorry, yeah. True into true is equal to true. True into false equal to false. So it starts calculating only true values. False, again false, false, false. Now, out of these calculation, only resultant values are these two, which are these two, okay, which are being supplied to max. The formula would actually look in turn like this: 8, 25. That shows 25 as the answer. This is how the array formula working. All right. So first it evaluates the first condition, second condition, and then matches only true and true values. Since we have used what? We have used asterisk symbol, into symbol, a multiplication symbol in Excel. So that takes first array answer into second array answer and takes out only true values and then calculates which is the maximum of it. Right? Hope you got some basic insight on this. So many scenarios where you end up using array formula where you got to do multiple calculations matching with multiple conditions. Your sum if, your count if will not come to work, but arrays will do. Yes. So having said that, this is the 18th video what we were on Excel daily dose advanced functions. So I would like to close this playlist for 18 videos and start a new playlist which will be expert level. So I would call it as expert level to master your skills, since we have already got basic skills and advanced function skills. So the expert level to master your skills, where it is available. Sorry, it is not on the YouTube. So I'm going to exclusively make this available on the mobile application called Excel Daily Dose, same Excel Daily Dose. So which is under building progress now. Very shortly will be available on our Play Store. So yes, so you should be able to watch all these basic series, advanced series, and also on the expert level only on the application Excel Daily Dose, right? So don't forget to download this application and join. Let's learn and earn together. Continue supporting, keep supporting, give your comments below, hit the like button, and if you think you learned anything in this video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I can reach you as soon as I prepare a video. Right, that's it from me and closing the advanced functions playlist here. Myself, Dayanand, with the Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Let's meet in the Excel Daily Dose mobile app. Thank you.